own, or you can use some of the 4 that come out of the box. And as I mentioned before, the path resource resolver should be the last in the chain. So again, create the chain, order matters here with this list, and then just register the chain with your resource handler.
Is this replacing the MVC resources?
This is actually the same thing. That add resource handler is the MVC resources. This is new. This resource resolvers is the new part. So basically, in the past, with the resource handler, you had this HTTP resource handler. It had the functionality for this path resource resolver baked into it, and that's now an external component. That's why it should go last in the list. And you now have this chain that allows you to do different things. So you can basically have this path resource resolver at the end, but you could maybe zip the files in the process or change the file names in the process, and you have basically like a chain. It's like analogous to the filter chain in a servlet container.
So if I have a JavaScript file I'm referencing from my index.html, and I need that so it's so that the browser cache doesn't override, and I need a version on it. Does this go into that index.html and update it to like the MD5 hash?
That's still being developed. So this is a work in progress, and this was just committed like 2 days ago. They're working on that, and they'll be coming out with some examples for how to integrate that into your JSPs and stuff like that. But as I mentioned, well, let me go back. Yeah, I mentioned before, there's 2 sides to it. There's the one, when you implement one of these resolvers, it has 2 methods in it in this interface. And the one is get me the resource from wherever, probably from a jar file or from the class path or something. And the other is give me the external name. So like internally it's called, I don't know, main.js or something like that. But externally it has the hash prepended to it or in the file name. So that's